Hello folks, today we're doing a video and we've had a pretty good sized snow here. You can see by the tracks here that we've gotten a little bit of snow. And the question I get asked a lot, what is the R value in snow? Well, the R value in snow is approximately, snow changes from being wet to, damp or dry snow, but an average of 1 R per inch. So if you have an R5, you have a 5 inches of snow. 10 inches of snow equals 10 inches or R10. So 1 per 1. But look up on top of the roof here, and so what we see here is that yes, we do have a good insulation blanket up here. But what's causing my problem, I want to get up a little bit closer here to share with you here, is this right here. You see, if you can see in the video here, he's got icicles and stuff hanging off of here. Well, the only way you're getting oh, look at there. See that? He's got a little garden growing up here. Isn't that cute? And I don't know how cute it is, but it's cute. But you see what's happening here with these icicles. So what it's telling me that we have energy coming up, heat coming up into the attic, and it's coming out in our soffit areas here. And of course, it's melting right along this edge right up through here. And that water is coming back down. And of course, it's going to turn into ice. It's going to make it really heavy. It's going to could knock off this gutter, but it's showing energy loss up in through here. And also right along this edge right up through here, where right against the gutter to the house, you're getting ice damming. And this ice damming is backing up into their home, which is also causing more, not just loss of energy, but damage to the sheathing, to the fascia board, etc. So yeah, we do got good insulation, but you also got a major energy loss, and this is how you can tell. But just remember, if you get up there and you got a little bit of a trivia question, what is the R value per 1 inch of snow? It's 1 R per 1 inch. Well, thanks folks for watching our videos. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Love to be able to service to you. We do construction inspections, new and building constructions. Also, we do homes and commercial building. Thank you. Have a great day.